Chlorinator check. So what we're going to do is we're going to check how many tabs are in the chlorinator. And what we're going to do first is make sure that this valve is blocking the water coming in from the top of the pool. This is the water that goes outbound to the top of the pool. Okay. This is the water that goes to the floor system. So by putting our valve this way, we're blocking the water to the top. Now the water's coming back this way. Just a reminder, if this ever gets jammed up at 35 pounds per square inch, this valve goes over, takes over, and lets the water come from the filter here, comes across, it's blocked, so at 35 pounds per square inch, it gets rerouted this way. There's a spring inside of there, and it gets routed and actually goes into the top of the pool. But anyway, over to the chlorinator. So what we're going to do first is make sure there is no water coming through here through the floor sweep system. And we're doing that by closing off the valves. There are 5 of these valves. And I take my, there we go. So all 5 of those are now turned off. I had turned the other 5s off a second ago. And now what I'll do is open this. The way I do this, I'll do this one-handed. Is you don't put it on with a wrench, but you can take it off with a wrench. Oops. One-handed is a little tricky. There we go. Now I can tell there's some gas coming out, which is common. There we go. And it looks like there's about half a tablet, 3 half tablets or less. So I'm going to go ahead and add just 2 tablets. Watch that water. It's very highly concentrated in chlorine. If you're wearing nice clothes or whatever, it'll mess that up. So I'm going to go ahead and take, I'll tell you what, I'm going to take 1.5. There we go. That's all we need. That's set on 4. It's fine where I leave it. Normally is enough just to keep things going. And we're very low on tablets, should be enough there for another month or so. And there you have it. Now what I'll do is just reverse that. We'll open these, and today I'll go ahead and open the floor sweep. So the floor sweep's going to be running, and that's all there is to it.